What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host Terry, and welcome to the channel Buy the Dip. That is right, guys. In today's video, I'm here to talk about that TRCH, and we got the new meta background there set up. That's right, we're getting ready for tomorrow, where Monday could be the possible short squeeze. Now, got something really cool for you. I do want to show you that if you had options on Robinhood, that it is now converted over to MMAT. Now, you still cannot search for it, but it did update on my phone. So I wanted to show you all that here as we get into this video, guys. So here it is. If you watched my video where I talked about a week or so ago on how to protect your profits, when this thing was up at like $10, I just suggested to you guys to purchase a couple put options out for July the 16th. That way then, if the stock would some reason tank down, you would be able to, in a sense, have a backup plan. Because as you know, the shares went from like 10 down to in the 4s now. So with having these little bit of money in these put contracts can end up saving you. And it only cost me like $60 to get 3 put contracts just as a hedge to save me money. And comment down below if you watched that video and did you go in and purchase, because if you did, you would see this here. So I did go in, guys, and purchase back when the stock was like $10. I did buy, you can see July the 16th, I bought 3 Torch $2.50 put options. And there you can see, you can close out your position in this option, but you cannot buy additional contracts. And up here you can see I have 3 buys, and this did convert over. Now I guess Monday it's going to go more live, but that way, in case of this thing, people sell out and tank, you have your backup plan, because if this tanks and your shares go down, but you have your put options, you can cash out and get some money back. So it is a great way to hedge. So let's go in here and I'm going to click this view TRCHD. All right, now here where it has TRCH preferred series A, and there it has options. So it is going to be ready to show up here on Robinhood, I'm assuming tomorrow morning. But they do have this here over the weekend. Now, I don't see anything on the actual shares, but on these contracts, I do see that as, you know, showing up under the options contracts has, in a sense, updated to that. But the shares themselves still have not updated. So just wanted to bring you guys that information. I thought it was very great. And we're going to go in here and cover some of the short interest and just kind of go over a couple things getting ready for this big possible squeeze tomorrow, guys, because the shorts are going to have to cover, or they're going to possibly be paying huge premiums on covering their shorts because there's just going to be no shares in the market. So, guys, let's get in and talk about this short volume ratio. Real quick, guys, got a quick shout out. I did a video yesterday on ticker symbol ALF, which is Alfie. And I do want to say it's a stock I think you guys should go do some due diligence on. But I wanted to give a shout out to another fellow YouTuber that did come over and say hi on the channel. My man, Trading Secrets. I went ahead and pinned his comment there. And guys, he has an excellent channel. He's a newer channel. And I just wanted you guys to go and check him out. He does great comment on covering Torch as well. He has a lot of great stuff over there. So I just wanted to say thank you for Trading Secrets for stopping over, and I watched his videos. He does excellent content. So guys, go give him a subscription. All right, guys, so we are back here on the Fintel website. I wanted to get you back in this here to show you the short interest. So this was updated as of the 25th Friday. The short volume was 30.4 million shares with the market volume of 110.6 million shares, which gave this thing a short volume ratio of 28% on the close of Friday. Now, down here, it kind of gives a lot of information on the Fintel website, but I don't have the premium version of this, so a lot of stuff is kind of blocked out. As you can see down here, it gives you updates on the short shares availability, and it says subscription required. But there is some stuff down here that I can see, and I do want to show you this here. So here it talks about the short volume. And this over here kind of tells you the amount of shares that were shorted and the short volume ratio. And then we just covered there that on Friday the 25th, it was 27%. On Thursday, it was up to 33%. So like I said, it jumped about 6% down. So I do believe some shorts possibly covered their positions on from Thursday to Friday. So that's kind of good to see, and that could drive the price up. Here it does have, in a sense, the fails to deliver category. And there's a lot of great information down here. And of course, it doesn't tell me that in institutional puts or calls. That's all under premium. You can see down here the short interest for the daily FinTel updates. All this is locked. So I'll have to maybe check in to see about getting the premium version to see exactly all that great information. Now, here's something that I did want to show you guys as well. Now, this here was on the FinTel website for metamaterials, ticker symbol MMATF. Now, I'm assuming this might have been, I don't know, I'm a little confused on this. So guys, like I said, I'm doing my best to give you the information, but don't sue me, bro. I'm not a financial advisor. But I just want to bring you what is on the FinTel website showing. So this is what I'm seeing for metamaterials. Now, this is on the OTC market, and this was updated Friday. It says the short volume was 286,000 shares with a market volume of 41,000 shares. And this says the short volume ratio was 693%. Now, I don't know if that's any kind of a typo or if I'm reading these numbers wrong, but right there you see it, short volume ratio of 693%. And as we do scroll down here, like I said, unfortunately, guys, a lot of this stuff is locked. I do not have the premium version, but I do want to bring you the information that I do see here on the website. Now, I don't know if that could be because of the split, the merger in a sense, and that's what's causing that ratio to go up really high. But it does down here say the short interest and days to cover. And the last time this was updated back was on 6/15. It said the short interest was 227,000 shares, and it says days to cover was 1. So I don't know. Maybe people had to cover those shares, and it hasn't been updated since. And that's pretty much the information on that. Now, there is an article out here. I just want to go up here and show you the title. It's the top Robinhood stocks popular on Reddit. And if we do scroll back down to where I was, I want to go down here and get in, of course, to Torch. And here we go. Torchlight Energy Resources, number of hedge funds on holders. There's 4 of them. Here it says that Torchlight Energy Resources is placed 8th on our list of top Robinhood stocks on popular Reddit. The stocks have returned over 1,500% to investors over the past 12 months. The company concentrates on the exploration and development of oil and gas, which really none of that really matters now because all that is being sold. It's going to metamaterials, so really that doesn't matter. So here it says how TRCH stock has been on a record rally the past few months, with the shares increasing threefold since last month on June 17th. The firm filed to sell close to 100 million shares earlier in June. It declared a special dividend. And here it says, at the end of the first quarter of 2021, 4 hedge funds in the database of Inside Monkey Head held stakes worth $3.2 million in Torchlight Energy Resources, up from the one in previous quarter was 7,000. And here it's saying, just like Tesla, AMC, and GameStop, Torchlight Energy Resources is one of the top Robinhood stocks on Reddit. So there it is, guys. Take all this information with a grain of salt. I'm doing my best to bring you the information that I do see out here. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up. Check out my links down below. And we're going to see what happens tomorrow, man. No one has a crystal ball, but it seems like the shorts are going to be paying hefty fees if they're not covering, their short positions. And, there's all this dark pool stuff going on. And I don't know, man. The SEC has to get in there and take care of it. But like I said, guys, appreciate every single one of you for coming and checking out this video. If you stayed this long, thank you so much. And, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.